Okay guys, welcome to this last video of this lesson here. I put on a hat for this video, okay, because I want to come to you not as just your friend Lamarr Brown. What I want to do is approach you, I think, as the probably most important figures to anybody who's trying to get into any kind of profession or learn anything. You need a coach. You need a teacher. All right, and this is where I think a lot of us go wrong when we try to understand anything in life. I don't care if it's the financial world or anything like that. Is understand coming up with the right philosophy and having the right psychology when you approach this new subject matter, okay, or any subject matter in life, okay, especially financial. All right, don't short yourself. All right, there's nothing in life. If you're going career-wise, you learn a new musical instrument. If you're trying to become a soldier or a Marine, preferably, it doesn't matter what it is. You're going to need a coach. You're going to need somebody that's going to help you take you to that next level. You're not bound to say that the coach has to be better than you. You can absolutely be more skilled than the coach. But you're going to need somebody to bring that out of you, right? It's not that you're going to have somebody that's always going to be better than you. What you're going to find out is that you're going to need that person that's going to guide you along, right? So that being said is, listen, when you go to school and you're trying to learn your career, you go find a teacher that's going to teach you and guide you along to get you there. How many of you watch sports teams on TV and cheer for them, right? How many of you do that? Now, how many of you seen win a championship without a coach? Yeah, exactly. You're going to need somebody there to kind of guide you along, to kind of make sure that you don't hit those pitfalls, to make sure that you're mentally prepared to go into battle. Right? Because I'm telling you right now, for all of those, I do it myself. Listen, make your road 10 times harder. It wasn't until I came down to the understanding that I needed Dr. DVD as my coach. And when he gave me the content, and I made my mistakes, quickly he whipped me back into shape, okay? And then I got back in it and, got back to the basis of what he taught me and continued perfecting my craft. And I'm just saying this is that, listen, you need the same thing, okay? This market, for anybody who don't have greed tamed, would lose themselves. And what I mean by that is, if you got a greedy personality, trust me, you don't want to do this by yourself. Because it is very easy to make this money, and it's very easy to lose this money, okay? And a lot of times, I want to say 8 out of 10 times, it's really going to be associated to greed or being impatient. And you need somebody along the way to kind of show you the ropes. And if you're willing to put in the hard work and commit to the process, I'm telling you, you're going to see the gold at the end of the rainbow. But I'm saying this is that the psychology of trading has to be on point. I tell you right now, to execute a trade, as you can see in one of those other videos that I talk about buying and selling, it was just hitting the button. It's not really that difficult. 80% of this is all mental. What is enough? Dr. DVD, Bishop Perry shared this with me. They said the hardest thing to do in the computer in trading is turning off the computer. And you need somebody to tell you, okay, that's enough in the beginning. Until you learn those disciplines, get a trading plan. It's very important. Nobody started a business without a business plan who's serious. The same thing about you. You should not have go into this without having a plan written out. Okay, when you go to school, you have a curriculum. There's a plan. They're going to take you from here to there. Okay, and that's the same thing you do into trading, okay, and you have it kind of meticulous laid out exactly how you're going to get to that point. All right, so I'm saying this, get you a coach. I don't care if you don't choose me, I'm saying choose somebody. Do not risk your earnings by leveraging off your pride. Okay? Do not leverage your earnings off your pride. Get a coach. Get a financial person who understands this thing and get you there. Okay? If you want to work with me directly, there's 2 ways that you can do it. I have pre-recorded videos on my bootcamp training that you can go to. And if you want to kind of skip that, I give you an option where you can actually learn from me directly on a one-on-one. You do not have to physically be here. We can do it over the computer. I do it all the times with some of my students. I have them all across the country, even international, where I work on a one-on-one basis from the computer. You know, you don't need me right there next to you. If you want me there, trust me, yes, you're going to pay me very handsomely. Okay, but I don't need to be there to get you the content that you need, or nonetheless to even coach you to the level that you need to be coached to. Okay, so that being said, guys, hey, thank you for watching this training videos. I really hope it helped you out. Okay, I really hope it helped you out. I really hope that you begin to take day trading a little bit serious than you have in the past, and you begin to understand the potential that's right before you. All right. It's time for you to get into the market and become a financial winner. You know what I mean? Get in there and just take this money that's laid out before you. I promise you, when you get in here and you learn this stuff, you'll find and be like, man, why did they didn't teach me this before? Right? You're gonna be just like that. So I'm just saying this is that the psychology of trading is real. Like I said, it's 80% of the battle. A lot of people think it's the candlesticks or all these lines, and it's really, that's the most simplest part of it. I promise you that. The psychology is where it really gets tough at, and a lot of people won't admit that to you. And don't forget to visit my site for more content. So guys, hey, have a beautiful day. I'm glad that you was here to watch this content. Hopefully it was very meaningful to you. Please share it. And let other people see this content here. I really appreciate it. And if there's nothing else for us to talk about, I'll see you at the bank. Bye bye.